decoration and have fun making the origami decoration. Okay, we'll see you later. We are going to fold it. Then we are going to fold it Thank you for watching this video, and please like this and have a great day playing with this. Bye, and please subscribe and like this video. Bye. Oh yeah, and guys, we forgot to put this rainbow one. There's a star. Stick it right bottom. Right. Oh wait, that's the other side. Okay, there. Stuck on. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe and bye and like this video.